Today I have a wristwatch and I'm going to show you how to open the back cover of a wristwatch. Now you'd want to remove the back cover if you need to change the battery or perhaps do some maintenance issues on the inside. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with that, and what I'm going to be using is I have a cloth and I'm going to be using this cloth to clean off the debris that may be along the sides or the slots of the cover that I'm going to take off. So I'm just going to wipe it down with the cloth to remove any dust, dirt, or debris from the crevices and the slot. And then I also have a watch prying tool, cover prying tool, a watch cover prying tool. Now this tool is essential because it allows the tip of my prying tool to slide inside of the slot, and it pops open the back cover of the watch, allowing me to access the back of the watch, such as the battery or something mechanical inside of the watch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this prying tool. Now you want to be careful because you do not want to scratch your watch on the backside of the watch, okay? And so you'll try to find the slot. Now, typically the slot should be located on the opposite end of where the dial is. You see the dial is right here, and you look on this side, and the slot is right there, all right? Now, if the cover has not been placed properly, you'll notice that the writing on the watch will not be upwards like this. You see it says Movado up there, Swiss made, and the slot will actually be along the sides or somewhere else, somewhere where it will be inconvenient. So with that being said, note when you're replacing the cover back on, make sure the slot is on the opposite side of where the dial is. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with this. So I'm going to take the tool and I'm going to slide my tool into the slot right here for the back cover. And I'm going to press in, and I'm going to keep it steady, and I'm going to twist it like a key almost, but gently, but sturdy. And it doesn't work. So you have to be very careful. You have to make sure it's really inside of the slot before you twist it. So I did it that time, and it actually worked. And it pried open the back cover. And now I'm able to access the inside. And once I'm on the inside of the watch, I'm just going to go ahead and use my cloth to wipe the edges of debris, wipe the area where the slot is to make sure there's nothing there. And then after I've done what I needed to do inside of the watch, I'm going to find the back cover, find where the slot is, or you can find where the writing is. It says Movado, and it's upwards, and the slot should be on the right side right there. So once I found the writing and or the slot, I'm just going to simply lift open this part right here, align the writing so where it's sitting upright, and then I'm going to go ahead and press this until it snaps back into place. And that's how you open the wristwatch back cover. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.